Welcome back guys. On today's episode, we're going to be making a very famous Lao dish called Nam Khao. This dish is jam-packed with flavors such as red curry paste to shredded coconut. Definitely a must try. Alright guys, let's get started. You're going to be needing 5 cups of cooked jasmine rice. Now you don't want the rice to be too hot or too cold. It should be at room temperature and warm to touch. Next, you're going to need a half cup of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of chicken powder mix, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of red curry paste, 1 egg yolk. Here comes the fun part. We're going to roll it into little rice balls. Now the only catch with forming it to little balls is that you're going to have to deep fry them with a lot of oil. However, if you don't want to do that, you can shape them to mini-sized spaceships. They will be a lot flatter and require less oil to fry. And ta-da! Let's go fry these bad boys. Next, add vegetable oil to frying pan. Using a thermostat, bring the heat to 325. While the oil is heating up, let's work on our batter. You're going to need a half a cup of water and a half a cup of rice flour. Evenly coat each rice balls and set it aside for frying. Alright, let's get back to frying these. See that bubbling right there? That's perfect. The heat is just perfect. Now we're going to fry it for 6 to 8 minutes until they're golden brown. Once they're golden brown, go ahead and remove it and place it in a mixing bowl or a basket with paper towels. This way we can remove any excess oil. Let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, let's break it open. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Next, you're going to need 5 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, thinly sliced and minced. Your desired amount of lime, thinly sliced ginger, mint, toasted Thai chili peppers, toasted peanuts, green onions, and your choice of type of lettuce such as iceberg, romaine, and etc. Now for the toppings, you're going to need nam fermented pork and 1 cup of shredded pork skin. Be sure to pull the nam into bite-sized pieces. Now that the rice balls has cooled down, we're going to crush them to mini bite-sized pieces. Once we're finished with this step, we're going to add all the ingredients from earlier. Alright, let's combine all the garnishes and toppings. When it comes to adding the garnishes and topping, there's no right or wrong. Add more of what you like and what you don't like. And remember, always adjust to taste. Now toss all the ingredients and toppings together and we are done guys. Nam Khao. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host Harris Pianabong and this was Cooking with Mr. International. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.